Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to transfer everything from your old iPhone to your new iPhone without iCloud. Firstly, if your new iPhone is already set up and shows the home screen, you will need to reset it to factory settings. Open Settings, General, then scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Erase all content and settings. Skip this step if your new iPhone is still on the Hello Setup screen. Just in case something goes wrong, it's smart to back up your current phone. Go to Settings, tap on the name at the top and iCloud. Tap iCloud Backup, then make sure it's on, then tap Backup Now. Now both iPhones are ready. Place two iPhones close together, turn on the new iPhone, and when you see the Setup New iPhone prompt on the old device, tap Continue. Use the old iPhone to scan the information shown in the new iPhone, and enter your old phone's passcode on the new iPhone when prompted. After scanning, you'll get two options: transfer from iPhone or download from iCloud. Choose transfer from iPhone to copy everything directly over Wi-Fi. The phone will now begin data migration process. Keep both devices next to each other. Make sure they're plugged in if the battery is low, and it can take from 20 to 35 minutes depending on how much data you have. You'll see a transfer in data screen, and once it finishes, you'll get a transfer complete message on your old phone. Once the transfer is done, your new iPhone will reboot, apps will begin downloading, and all your photos, messages, settings, and accounts will slowly appear. Depending on your Wi-Fi and data size, this may take a few more minutes. And you've successfully transferred everything to your new iPhone. No iCloud, no computer, just two phones and a bit of time. If you found this helpful, give it up a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more iPhone tips. See you next time.